want my daughter remember. Right? Me don't help out for the stand. Me I want Chanel that kill me if I go police. Me have to take my leg down for you and I go say, I'm come out. Me bird blood clot me, if it didn't bird me. You ever tell you when a man let one up and then go on. You ever tell you? Me a big woman, me have right to do what me have to do in my life. No piece of tear doesn't want to compete with stuff. Me not ask Christ. Say if a something about what say about blood clot go. You don't like me, don't like your blood clot. You ever tell me spend my money for blood clotting. You don't do it for me. Me don't want him here. But see how you have a blood clot going nice. You can tell them, show your blood clot. So who is you? Who is blood clot? They are one dog. There's a man. Blood clot, they are one dog. They are blood clot. They are one dog blood clot. They are just somebody who is strong.
She can help Anthony, other people. I'll donate to people and because you can't help who wanna pick them, bro. But that message me, she look out for stranger more than I look out for your own. No, but I use this and then this and that for foreign. And he not paying her rent, you know. You're freaking liar and he not paying her rent. Yeah, Anthony and Chrissy around. So I don't need my help again. You don't know if freaking call me papa then. If one day you that go to rascal. Yo, me shame me no youth. Me shame no bumbo clot say I'm my mother. She didn't even know. A blood clot example you can't say. No, I will not talk about why I come back. Bro, there was a storm. I mean, no, whenever did I go take the chance? I stayed down with me there. There was a storm. I have to make me baby mother hard up here and thing. Cause even right now the house blow down. The house blow down. Over there. The things them inside mash up. Want to reach back and watch it. When me there now, want to reach back there, fix up the place.
My phone.
The phone not in here, so. The phone not in here, so. I'm telling you something, bro. I'm telling you something. I realize my mother don't really like me, or me don't know, or something, me don't know. Cause me see stranger come around and she deal with stranger. She rather uplift stranger more than her own youth them. Her own people them. Me not talk about me alone. Me not talk about me alone. I'm telling you something now. The thing there with that car there. I don't say me bad mind about it, but I'm not bad mind, bro. Watch out, we get a piece of car ride, we get a piece of ride. And like you say, make your son get in look papers them as help your son. A stranger, I see help, you know. A stranger, I say she a help. Even with right now, my house blow down. Me things there, my furniture or something then get mashed up in my house. Me see she a go do, say she a go do a donation, which is nothing wrong with that. But come on, we all need help. Your family, your own surrounding need help. Even you yourself need help. And me no see she a do nothing about that. Maybe, probably, it's because she see the big content creator them like Swizzly and Rebel and Rate and Tate. I do them look a donation or something. But come on, you can't manage that. Me know say she can't manage, you know, but she a run it down. She a run it down, bro, and she can't manage it. She herself need help. But people gonna be grateful still. People gonna be grateful same way. But I help. She rather help people. So she go help. Who she want? We can't tell her who fit help. We can't tell her who fit help. You know she shouldn't help me anyways. What do you? We got one club. It's like our card decline. Then say them have hold on something personal. For something personal. So she never have her ID or her passport or no. She said we give them my ID. We give the people in my ID for lamp until they get the money. When they get the money, we never get back my ID. So now, me no really have no card and them thing there. I usually Western Union me use and them weird. So me can't go Western Union again. I can't card them well on my ID. I know me can't get back my damn ID. I know me can't get back my ID. See cause she. Now, Chrissy having ID, TRN and everything. Me have them, you know, but she make them all on panic. Now me not have it again, say cause she. Now, Chrissy have it, you can use Chrissy. So I make Chrissy drive them around. Anytime she want money now for draw and them thing there, he make Chrissy drive the money. But through me not having nobody no want me back at them. Me can't go get for do nothing. Me can't go get for trim and look like smaddy. Me stress out up here so. Me have to itch up in the house because nobody no want me back at them because I am not important. She run me out now. I run me out now. Just want to go home. Me try to nail up back the zinc, them will blow away one bag of and me board them, whatever. Me nail them up back. Rather than today. Me say, me try me try yesterday Me walk, if you don't ever know where me dey. Me dey for one piece of highway, brother. Me dey for one piece of highway. Me walk one piece of highway, me reach what you call that? Wow. Waterfield or something like that. Hopewell, near to Hopewell me reach. Reach near to Hopewell. Around about this one. How many think people would have sorry for me and say, oh, I see Dragga there from for TikTok, oh, give him a look ride, if you come in a van back or something, nothing. I dip on the highway and rain wet me, rain dry me, sun dry me. Rain wet me, so sun dry me to grass. You could go no more. Could go no more. I'm reach on good. I'm reach on good. I'm reach on good distance. 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 So I'm reach Oh, I'm not open. I'm not open. Open.